Okay, welcome. Today we are making delicious keto meatballs and a fresh salad. Let's dive in. For the meatballs, grab 1 kilogram of salt, minced meat, half pork, half beef. We need these ingredients: 1 egg, some onion, a tablespoon of cumin, garlic powder, savory, and a pinch of salt. Cut the onion and mix it all together in a bowl until well combined. This blend gives the meatballs that perfect keto-friendly flavor. Now shape the mix into 12 elliptical meatballs. Keep them even for consistent cooking. Pop the tray into the oven at 430 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. Bake for about 40 minutes until golden and juicy. Your kitchen gonna smell amazing. Until the meatballs cook, let's make the salad. Cut cucumbers, tomatoes and peppers. Now I will add olives, of course, sprinkle with salt. And some cheese. Check these meatballs. Golden and ready. They smell amazing. It's time to taste the food. juicy. So juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. They are perfect, very delicious. The salad is amazing. It complements them wonderfully. This meal is low carb, high flavor, and perfect for keto journey. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.